Why do some people glide effortlessly into financial freedom while others seem stuck on a never-ending hamster wheel? In this compelling summary of The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins, we unlock a transformative guide to achieving financial independence. This summary of Collins's book reveals practical wisdom and a clear roadmap to secure your financial future, proving that wealth building doesn't have to be complicated. The genesis of financial wisdom. The story begins in 2011 when J.L. Collins, motivated to teach his daughter about financial independence, realized he needed to pass down his hard-earned knowledge. Upon her return from college, he asked her a simple question: "Do you know how to handle your money?" Her reply, that she would rather focus on other pursuits, struck a chord. Collins then decided to compile his financial wisdom into a book that would serve as a timeless guide. Thus, The Simple Path to Wealth was born, a straightforward and empowering manual for achieving and sustaining financial independence. The 2 phases of financial freedom. Collins outlines 2 essential phases in the journey toward financial freedom: wealth accumulation and wealth preservation. 1. Wealth accumulation. This is the foundational phase of building your financial fortress. It involves disciplined saving and strategic investing to ensure you can meet your basic needs without the looming anxiety of financial insecurity. The goal is to create a safety net that ensures your essentials, food, shelter, and clothing, are always covered. 2. Wealth preservation. Once you've built your fortress, the focus shifts to maintaining it. This phase is about withdrawing just enough from your investments to sustain your lifestyle indefinitely. It's about making your wealth work for you so you don't have to. The reality of money management. In a world where spending is effortless and earning requires a grind, mastering the art of money management is essential. Collins uses the poignant story of 2 friends, a minister and a monk, to illustrate different life choices and their impact on financial stability. The monk, who chose simplicity over material wealth, serves as a powerful reminder. True happiness doesn't come from money, but from wise financial decisions and living within your means. Collins himself faced numerous financial hurdles throughout his life, but instead of giving up, he used each setback as a learning experience. These struggles taught him invaluable lessons about resilience and the importance of being prepared for life's uncertainties. The burden of debt, a trap to avoid at all costs. Debt is more than just a financial obligation. It's a heavy shackle that can bind you to a life of stress and limitation. Collins shares his own experiences with debt, particularly the seductive trap of credit cards, showing how easy it is to fall into impulsive spending habits. His message is clear: avoid debt like the plague. If you find yourself already caught in its snare, Collins provides a straightforward strategy for getting out, focusing first on paying off the highest interest debts. The power of few money. One of the most liberating concepts in Collins's philosophy is the idea of few money. What is FU money? It's a sum that gives you the freedom to make decisions without being held hostage by a paycheck. It's the money that lets you say forget you to any job, person, or situation that doesn't serve you. Collins shares how having FU money allowed him to walk away from jobs that didn't align with his values and pursue his passion for travel. This mindset shift, from seeing money as a tool for consumption to a means of freedom, is crucial for anyone seeking financial independence. Investment insights. Thinking long-term and staying calm. Investing is where many people get lost and overwhelmed by jargon and market fluctuations. Collins simplifies this process by focusing on the long term. He reminds readers that market ups and downs are inevitable, but over time the market trends upwards. By tuning out the noise and focusing on long-term growth, investors can make calm, informed decisions that align with their financial goals. Keeping it simple. 3 keys to investing success. Simplicity is the core of Collins's approach to investing. He emphasizes 3 key considerations for every investor. Stage of investing life. Are you in the wealth accumulation phase or the preservation phase? This determines your strategy. Risk tolerance. How much risk are you comfortable taking? Your answer should guide your investment choices. Investment horizon. How long can you leave your investments untouched? This affects your risk level and overall strategy. The value of index funds, a simple, powerful tool. Collins champions the power of index funds as a reliable and straightforward path to wealth. Unlike picking individual stocks, which is akin to gambling, index funds offer a diverse range of stocks that capture the overall market's growth. They are low-cost, effective, and ideal for generating passive income. This approach not only simplifies investing, but also reduces stress and allows for steady growth over time. Key takeaways: what you've learned in this video. Before we wrap up, let's quickly revisit the key lessons from The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins. Start with wealth accumulation. Focus on saving and investing to build a financial safety net that covers your basic needs. This is the foundation of financial independence. Transition to wealth preservation. Once you've built enough wealth, shift gears. The goal here is to withdraw just enough to support your lifestyle while ensuring your wealth lasts a lifetime. Avoid debt at all costs. Debt is a financial trap that can hold you back. If you're in debt, prioritize paying off high-interest loans first and avoid taking on new debt. Build FU money. FU money gives you the freedom to make choices on your terms, whether it's quitting a job, traveling, or pursuing your passions. It's about using money as a tool for independence, not just spending. Think long-term in investing. Don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. Stay calm, think long-term, and trust that the market will recover and grow over time. Keep your investments simple. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Focus on low-cost index funds, which provide broad market exposure and steady growth without the stress of picking individual stocks. Know your investing stage. Are you building wealth or preserving it? Understanding your stage will help guide your investment decisions. Assess your risk tolerance. Invest according to the level of risk you're comfortable with. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so be mindful of how much risk you can handle. Leverage index funds. Index funds are your best friend for passive income. They offer diversification, lower fees, and a straightforward path to financial growth. By embracing these principles, you're not just managing your money, you're setting yourself on a path to true financial freedom. Keep it simple, stay disciplined, and let your wealth grow over time. Conclusion: your simple path to financial freedom. The Simple Path to Wealth isn't just another financial book. It's a manifesto for anyone determined to seize control of their financial destiny. With Collins's clear insights and actionable strategies, you'll learn how to manage money wisely, invest intelligently, and ultimately live a life of freedom and choice. Dive into this summary to unlock the secrets that can transform your financial future forever. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.